In this video, I will show you how you can add music to your videos on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now, first of all, just download a video or record a video to which you want to add your background music. As you can see, this is a video which I have recorded, and I will show you how you can add background music to this video. Now, after you get your video, the next step is just download any background music from any website. For an example, I have downloaded my background music from this website, but you can do it from anywhere. Now, after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your iPhone. And once this app is fully downloaded, then just tap on Open and select New Project or New Video. Now just select the video which you want to edit. For an example, I will select this video, then tap on Add. Now as you can see, this is the video to which we want to add background music. Now if you want to mute the audio of the video, you can do it from here. As you can see, you have the option of the microphone icon which says Mute Clip Audio. If you want to mute the audio of the clip, you can do it from here. I will mute it. Now to add music to your video, just tap on Audio, then tap on Sounds. Now from here, just tap on the folder icon, then select Device. Tap on Select from Device. Now in the Files app, just select the audio which we have downloaded. Now for an example, this is the audio which I have downloaded. Now just tap on Open. After you select it, then tap on the plus icon over here. Now as you can see, if I tap on the play button, now as you can see, we have successfully added our music to our video. Now as you can see, the length of the music is longer, so I will trim it. Now let's go to the end of the video. Now just select the audio at the end of your video and tap on Split. Now just select the part which you no longer need, which is this part, and tap on Delete. Now as you can see, we have successfully trimmed our video, just like that. And if you want to trim your video, you can also do it in the same way. Just select the video and tap on Split and split the part which you don't need. Now, once you're satisfied with your video, just tap on Export. And once this process is completed, just tap on Done. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the Photos app, as you can see, this is the video which we have edited. And as you can see, this is how you can add music to your videos on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.